Good morning. I am Arsh Khan of class 10th B. I will present the news today. Farm laws repeal. Cabinet approval likely on November 24th. Farmers to decide future course on November 27th. Indian Navy is enhancing surveillance capability with new age tech in bid to counter China. Prime Minister calls for constituting a high-powered police technology mission under Home Ministry. No scientific evidence in country underlines need for COVID-19 booster dose. Now on sports news, Deepak Chahar, Ishan Kisan to join Indian A for Red Ball series in South Africa. Now I present a beautiful thought to make your morning beautiful. Life has no remote control. You have to get up and change it by yourself. Have a wonderful morning.